here we go. Thai takeover.
Hello!
How are you?
I'm so excited.
Thank you for having me in your house.
Yes. Let me show you to the kitchen.
Let's do it.
Welcome to our kitchen.
This is so awesome. Hi.
Hey!
Who are you?
This is my husband.
Hi, and you are?
Spencer.
Hi, Spencer.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What do you got there?
This is some homemade bacon
What?
that we cooked last
Homemade
weekend.
meaning you made it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm already having like an idea of what I want to make with this. It's one of my most famous fried rice dish.
Nice.
Are you guys into fried rice?
We're very into fried rice, and
Yeah.
our girls love fried rice, and it's probably one of the few things they eat. So yes.
Okay, I'm so excited. So for making fried rice, I have a question. Do you have jasmine rice?
Of course.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
It's not our first rodeo.
I'm so excited, and I'm so proud that you have jasmine rice in your house.
Yeah.
Not everybody has, everybody
always
needs to have jasmine
do.
rice. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to go through your refrigerator with your permission as I am here to take over.
Oh God.
I don't think there's anything too embarrassing in there.
Look, it's super organized. What are you talking about? Okay, well ooh, yes. Green onions for sure. Leftover onions that we can totally use, which is really good when we make fried rice. I see they have also some beautiful shrimp and chicken, but you know what? We're gonna stick with the bacon. I'm so excited to be here with Kat and Spencer because we're gonna make something so awesome with something that Spencer made, which is smoked pork belly, AKA bacon.
The king of all meats.
And I'm so excited. So we're gonna make some fried rice. Are y'all ready?
We're ready. Tell us what to
Awesome.
do.
You wanna open this up? I'm gonna start with this key star ingredient. Pork belly is gonna give us a lot of yummy, good fat oil. Is that how you call it in English?
Fat oil.
So,
English is my second language here, guys.
Fatty.
fat oil. Yeah.
Fatty fats. Fatty oils.
Good fats.
Let's just lay it all in here, and I'm gonna have you, Spencer, just like render out the fat and like cook it however crispy you like.
If you didn't have bacon, what fat would you start with? What kind of oil?
Awesome question.
Yeah.
This is gonna give you the most bacon flavor. So if you were going to make maybe a shrimp fried rice that you had those beautiful shrimps you had or chicken, I would just use regular vegetable oil that doesn't have a lot of flavor or smell, like no olive oil.
So since I don't know what I'm doing, I would usually go to sesame oil because to me that's
Ooh.
like Asian.
Yes.
But that's a pretty powerful taste.
It is. That sesame oil is something that you can add if you love that flavor.
Yeah.
I would not use it as a base for a fried rice.
Yeah.
If you want to add just a little
Like a
drizzle
little
at the
drizzle.
end, then you add a sesame pow to it. We don't use a lot of that in Thai cuisine other than if it has a Chinese influence in that particular dish.
Good to know.
Oh my God, I smell all that smokiness. It's so awesome. While we're doing this, we kind of need to make the rice.
I actually have leftover rice.
You do?
Yes.
Leftover rice is perfect for fried rice.
It's actually what we do.
How did I not find that
That's
in the
why we
refrigerator?
make fried rice, is because we have this big thing of leftover steam rice.
Were you Thai in your last life? Perfect. And you normally cook with jasmine rice because that's what we found in your
Yes.
pantry.
Always. Spencer's kind of a
I
rice
love-
snob, actually.
I love it.
He had to teach me
love it.
multiple times how to cook
important.
rice.
It is extremely important.
Rice is pretty easy to mess up.
I smell so much umami from the smoking that you did in the bacon. So do you like your bacon most of the time crispy or
I'm a crispy boy.
crispy? I will put you in charge of that. And while you crisp it to the amount that you like, we're gonna chop up some of these veggies that we found in your fridge. I love onion and green onion. Mainly two things. It adds like a natural sweetness to your dish, right?
Do you not want to get your Whopper chopper out? And
Yeah. I love that though.
The best tool for cutting onion.
Chopper.
Spencer makes fun of me.
I love
So you
that.
put the onion in here, and
Here we go.
all you do is just go like that, and it gets.
That is perfect.
It's the best thing ever. My grandma gave it to me.
So what I'm gonna do for this, I'm gonna cut them a little small, so you'll just get like beautiful bites of onion instead of like a whole piece. Again, I'm keeping this bacon the star of this dish.
We have to cut everything small because of our kids, because if they can tell what it is, then it's,
So true.
yeah.
Okay, so the green onions, take off that. And do you use all?
I usually do.
Perfect. I've met people who will only use the white part, and I just cringe because Mother Earth gave us this beautiful onion.
Yeah.
So why
Well,
not
and the
use
green
it
part
all?
is pretty.
It's pretty. It's mild in flavor.
Yeah.
Adds color
I use the whole
and
thing.
nutrients.
So are you gonna leave all that bacon?
I am.
Okay.
Are you guys good with that?
Yeah, put some more in there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Let's scoop out the bacon. We're gonna leave the oil. This is like the perfect breakfast dish. Breastfast.
Those are the perfect breasts, too.
The perfect breakfast dish.
Because there's eggs in it too.
Eggs, rice, bacon. It's a combination of both worlds. Can I try some too?
Yeah.
Oh, now I want some.
That's gonna be so good. You can't buy that in the store. We have your rice. Mise en place, extremely important when you're making Asian, Thai. Who wants to be in charge?
I'll love to be in charge.
Yay! I'm gonna start with the eggs. It helps the garlic from burning. Oopsie. Happens to the best of us.
That one-handed.
Trying to keep one hand clean here. Scramble away. All that bacon bits in there. Have about a heaping teaspoon. Get all that aromatics coming out. Throwing in our chopped yellow onion here.
So tell me about Thai fried rice and why I see tomatoes in it.
Tomatoes in fried rice adds another layer of flavor, obviously, but it adds that sweet and acidic flavor profile to a fried rice that people don't think to add.
Yeah.
Do you ever think to start adding acid to your food as well, or something that's sour to brighten up things?
Definitely. I mean, limes, lemons, white wine.
Yeah, we use that a lot.
Look how that onion
That's
is
it a little
so
bit.
pretty. Now that your onion is kind of cooked down, you can add your rice.
All right.
If the rice that you brought out is like super cold, you can warm it up a little bit prior to going it into the wok, which is kind of what we did for a little bit. It makes the stir frying process a lot easier. Because if you have cold rice, it's
Yeah.
gonna take longer to get it to the right temperature, and this cuts down on time.
Especially if you don't ask a bunch of questions.
Wait, I have another question though.
But that's the whole point. That's why I'm here.
You put soy sauce?
So we are going to put, do we need to gluten-free this?
Tell me how much gluten is in soy sauce.
So there are gluten-free soy sauces and they're regular, but
Okay.
I have a gluten-free stir-fry sauce, and that's what I'm gonna use in this.
Oh.
Let's add the bacon.
Bombs away.
Yay, adding some color. So pretty.
Oh, it is pretty. So what is in this sauce?
The sauce itself is gluten-free soy. It has salt, water, some sugar, cornstarch to thicken it up a little bit, and a mushroom powder, which adds natural umami.
You're speaking my language.
Look how beautiful that is. She stir-fried it perfectly, by the way, with no help. And now I'm gonna add in the green onions.
Beautiful. Yeah, I think you gotta practice that.
I do need to practice that. Let me try one more time.
It's gotta kind of
It's gotta touch your elbow.
off and on like that.
I'm gonna pass. Look, you got all the bacon bits from
Looks
the bottom.
so pretty.
You think it's ready?
Yeah.
We gotta taste. The perfect, bite.
bite.
I'm on it, I'm
A
on
little
it.
green onion, a little bacon. Looks good.
So good.
That bacon kind of.
That bacon,
I think you got a new
Perfect.
item for your restaurant menu.
I think so. So good. Let's plate this up.
All right.
We did find some cilantro from your fridge earlier. I love adding fresh herbs to this. So I'm gonna add like just a little bit of that. Again, using all parts, right? Do you guys only do the leaves or no?
I use some of the stems, not like the very end, you know? I'll kind of just cut it where I see most of the leaves.
And do you have any limes in your fridge?
We always have
Oh my gosh!
lemons.
Perfect. We're gonna add a little bit of acid. And do you like spicy?
Spencer does.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of drama to your food today. So have you had this before?
No, it looks amazing. I've been eyeballing it this whole time.
You like garlic, obviously, and you like spicy food. So this is a crispy chili garlic mix. It's not about the oil, it's all about the golden nuggets. And we're going to put a little bit of that on here.
Yum.
Who would like the spicy one?
Spencer. Especially because there's cilantro all over it for you.
No cilantro for you then?
No, I'm one of those people that has that.
Make it taste like soap.
Drama queen. So who is that named after?
So basically, this is a recipe that used to be served to the royal family in Thailand back in the day. And my friend and I packed it up, and she branded this Drama Queen with a nod to the royal family.
Wow.
It's
I love
a really,
that.
really old recipe, but with a new name, and it's just really fun. And it's so good.
Yeah.
It smells really good. You need spoons. Or fork.
Yes.
Do you eat your rice with chopsticks, a spoon, or a fork?
Spoon.
Spoon.
Such an awesome question.
I eat it with a fork. Is that weird?
Not weird for here.
Yeah.
But in Thailand, if you were using a fork, we would know that you're not from Thailand.
Oh,
So-
spoon it is.
I've got the lime on mine. Did I get lime on yours? Mm-mm. Now try it with
But
the
I,
lime.
Oh yeah.
Did you get the perfect bite?
I got the
chili?
That's really good.
But I love how it's,
You want more of
it's
this?
got
What do
sweet
you want
at
more, Chocolate
first
Queen?
and then the spice at the end.
Does hit you.
Oh my gosh, the lime,
Brightens up all the flavors.
that's so delicious.
We just added the 4 S's, sweet, sour, spicy, salty, all in one bite and one dish. Easy?
Thank you.
They can't stop eating now.
Yeah. I was like, just don't watch me eat this.
I mean, it's like lunchtime.
It is lunchtime. Thank y'all so much for having me
Thank you
here.
for coming.
Yes. Hopefully we have inspired you to make more Thai flavor dishes. And I'm gonna leave this whole cart with you because as a gift for letting us into your house, I'm just honored to be able
I'm
to share
so
my love
excited.
with you. Well, thank y'all so much for joining us. Please like, follow, comment. What was your favorite thing? I'll put in the comment where you can find Spencer's special bacon, and let us know what else you want to see. And again, thank y'all so much for having me.
Thank you.
Khop ka. Aw.
Would we recommend it? Yes. I have like so many friends that could use some help in the kitchen.
Yeah, the tip from Nikki, I think, that bacon goes in everything, and it should go in everything, and it will.
Learning that she just used vegetable oil to start her base. I would always use like sesame, and I think it overpowered things, and I just thought sesame oil was more of like an Asian flavor. It gives you a bigger flavor profile if you start with something that's simple. I learned a lot in that I thought it would be a lot more complicated, and I think we actually kind of maybe overcomplicated Asian food, and so learning that it was pretty simple was great. I don't want to say it was too easy because I want Nikki to come back and teach me some more things.
Yeah.